Welcome to the ultimate guide to healthy eating habits. Today, we're going to share with you everything you need to know to start living a healthier life. Let's start with the basics. One of the most important things you can do for your health is to eat a balanced diet filled with whole, nutrient-dense foods. That means plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. But with so many options at the grocery store, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we've put together a list of the top foods you should be incorporating into your diet, and some tips on how to prepare them. We know that healthy eating can be a challenge, especially if you're short on time. That's why we've included some quick and easy meal ideas that will have you feeling satisfied and energized in no time. And it's not just about what you eat, it's about how you eat it. We'll show you how to make mealtime a mindful, enjoyable experience that nourishes both your body and your soul. Of course, healthy eating is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. We'll also give you some tips on how to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, so you can feel your best from the inside out. Thanks for watching the ultimate guide to healthy eating habits. We hope you found these tips helpful, and that you'll start incorporating them into your own life. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any new releases. Be sure to read the blog post for the full story.